These are the 17 wonder foods that are good for diabetics. Number 1. Broccoli. Isothiocyanates such as sulforaphane have the ability to lower blood sugar levels. Chewing or chopping broccoli produces this plant chemical through an enzyme reaction. Number 2. Seafoods. Fish and shellfish are excellent sources of protein, good fats, vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that may help control blood sugar levels. Consuming large amounts of fatty fish, like sardines and salmon, has been demonstrated to help enhance blood sugar regulation. Number 3. Pumpkin. Pumpkin, with its vibrant color and abundance of fiber and antioxidants, is a fantastic option for controlling blood sugar levels. Pumpkin has been used traditionally in many countries, such as Iran and Mexico, to treat diabetes. Number 4. Nuts. Eating nuts has been linked to improved blood sugar regulation, according to research. A review discovered that eating different kinds of tree nuts lowered the blood sugar levels of type 2 diabetics during fasting. Number 5. Okra. One fruit that is frequently prepared like a vegetable is okra. It's full of substances like polysaccharides and flavonoid antioxidants that lower blood sugar. Okra seeds have strong blood sugar lowering qualities, which makes them a potential natural diabetic cure. The primary polysaccharide in okra, rhamnogalactonorn, has been found to be a potent anti-diabetic agent. Additionally, okra has flavonoids called isoquercetin and quercetin 3-O-gentiobioside that, by blocking specific enzymes, lower blood sugar. Number 6. Flax seeds. Rich in fiber and good fats, flaxseed may help lower blood sugar levels. After analyzing 25 controlled trials, it was discovered that consuming whole flaxseed significantly improved blood sugar regulation. Number 7. Beans and lentils. Lentils and beans are high in fiber, protein, and magnesium. Blood sugar levels may be lowered with the aid of these nutrients. They contain a lot of resistant starch and soluble fiber, which can help delay digestion and enhance the blood sugar response after meals. Eating beans and lentils can help regulate blood sugar and may even help prevent the onset of diabetes, according to numerous other studies. Number 8. Kimchi. Probiotics, minerals, and antioxidants are among the health-promoting ingredients found in fermented foods like kimchi. Studies link these compounds to increased sensitivity to insulin and blood sugar. Number 9. Chia seeds. Chia seed consumption might help control blood sugar. Studies have shown improvements in insulin sensitivity and lower blood sugar levels when chia seeds are consumed. In a study involving 15 healthy adults, participants' blood sugar levels were reduced by 39% when they took 1 ounce 25 g of ground chia seeds along with 2 ounces 50 g of a sugar solution. Number 10. Kale. There's a good reason why kale is frequently referred to as a superfood. It contains flavonoid antioxidants and fiber, among other compounds that may help lower blood sugar levels. Studies have demonstrated the strong blood sugar lowering and insulin sensitizing properties of the flavonoid antioxidants in kale, such as quercetin and camphorol. Number 11. Berries. Eat more berries for better blood sugar regulation, according to several studies. Because they are high in fiber, vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, berries are a great food option for those who struggle to control their blood sugar. Strawberries, blueberries, and blackberries have been shown in studies to improve insulin sensitivity and blood glucose clearance, which may help with blood sugar management. Number 12. Avocado. Avocados could potentially have a big impact on blood sugar control. They may help with blood sugar regulation because they are high in fiber, vitamins, minerals, and healthy fats. Avocados have been linked to lower blood sugar levels and a lower risk of developing metabolic syndrome by promoting fat loss, according to numerous studies. Number 13. Oats and oat bran. Oats and oat bran have a high soluble fiber content that has been demonstrated to have significant blood sugar reducing properties, so including them in your diet may help lower your blood sugar levels. Number 14. Citrus fruits. Citrus fruits are rated as low to medium on the glycemic index despite having natural sugar. Citrus fruits are also an excellent source of fiber, vitamins, and minerals. Consuming whole citrus fruits may lower HbA1c, increase insulin sensitivity, and guard against diabetes. Number 15. Kefir and yogurt. Fermented dairy products like kefir and yogurt have the potential to help control blood sugar levels. Consuming yogurt may also reduce the chance of developing type 2 diabetes. The authors of a 2022 analysis of 42 studies came to the conclusion that a daily intake of 50 grams 1/7 oz of yogurt was linked to a 7% reduction in the risk of type 2 diabetes. Number 16. Eggs. A concentrated source of protein, good fats, vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants can be found in eggs. Consuming eggs has been associated in certain studies with improved blood sugar regulation. When compared to an egg substitute, eating one large egg per day significantly reduced fasting blood sugar by 4.4% and improved insulin sensitivity in a study involving 42 adults who were overweight or obese and had either type 2 diabetes or prediabetes. Number 17. Apples. Apples are rich in soluble fiber and plant-based compounds such as gallic acid, quercetin, and chlorogenic acid that may help lower blood sugar levels and prevent diabetes. Eating apples 30 minutes before a rice meal significantly reduced post-meal blood sugar compared with eating rice alone, according to a study involving 18 women. I hope you learned something from this health guide video. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to our channel. You can also click the notification bell to be notified when new health guide videos are added. You can also leave a comment about which of the 17 wonder foods you liked best. Have a nice day.